In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail storage full, not receiving emails. If your inbox has stopped accepting new messages, it usually means your Google storage is maxed out. I'll walk you through clearing space safely and getting mail flowing again. Start by opening Gmail on your computer or in the app. Once you're in your inbox, the quickest win is to remove large attachments. Click into the search bar and type as attachment larger 5M, then press enter. This filters emails with attachments over 5 megabytes. Review anything you don't need, select the messages, and delete them. If you have many results, look for the option to select all conversations that match the search to clear them in one go. Next, head to your spam and trash folders from the left sidebar. Items in trash and spam still count toward your storage until they're emptied. At the top of each folder, click Empty Spam Now and Empty Trash Now to free space immediately. If you're unsure about something, you can open it first, but remember, permanent deletions can't be undone. Now, clean up older or low priority emails. In the search bar, you can type older than 1Y to find messages older than a year, or use older than 6 months for 6 months. You can also search category.promotions to surface marketing emails. Sort through the results, delete what's unnecessary, and then return to trash to empty it again so the space is actually reclaimed. Keep in mind, your storage is shared across Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. If Gmail alone doesn't free enough space, open Google Drive and remove large files you no longer need, then empty your drive trash. You can also use the Google One storage management tool, which highlights big files, emails with large attachments, and blurry or large photos and videos. It's a safe way to target the biggest space hogs quickly. To see where your storage is going, click your profile picture in the top right of Gmail and choose Manage Your Google Account. Look for the storage section to view the breakdown across Gmail, Drive, and Photos. This helps you decide where to focus your cleanup. After you delete items, it can take up to 24 hours for your storage total to update and for queued messages to arrive. Be patient and check back later the same day or the next morning. Finally, emails sent to you while your storage was full are typically bounced back to the sender and can't be recovered. Once you've cleared space, let important contacts know and ask them to resend anything critical. With these steps, your inbox should be back to normal.